Hello everyone, I am Satyam Hanshyam Vishwakarma. Tinker's Lab of Visit conducted an internship for us. My internship topic was IoT based weather monitoring system. So why do we need to measure weather? Weather plays an important role in many sectors like agriculture, industries, and also in our day-to-day life. If we are aware of the weather condition, then we can plan accordingly, and this will save our valuable resources and time. Before we start any project, the first thing we do is research whether any such project already exists or not, what technique they used, what steps they used to complete their project. So there are many systems which do the same task which we require, but our focus was to design it as a low cost alternative. So there already existed a low-cost weather monitoring system with online logging and data visualization. So they used Arduino Uno and Ethernet shields and many sensors. So we followed this. So our proposed solution is that we will design a system which will measure the temperature and humidity conditions of the surrounding, and then this data will be processed and displayed on our website in a graphical manner. I use DHT11 sensor. This sensor measures temperature and humidity. The sensor reading is given to Arduino, which is our microcontroller. From our microcontroller, the data is sent to our database via the internet. In our case, the Firebase was our database, and from the database, the readings are given to the website, where the website will take that data and process that data into graph. So the flow of event go in such a manner. We measure temperature and humidity using DHT11 sensor, then give this reading to Arduino and output it on our serial monitor of Arduino using C programming language. Then from the serial monitor of Arduino, we take this reading and send it to Firebase. For this, we use Python scripts. And then from the Firebase, we fetch the readings to our website and then plot graph. For website, I used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So let us have a look at the circuit diagram. This is our Arduino. This is the DHT11 sensor. This is a virtual serial monitor for the Arduino. This is a virtual COM port, that is COM PIM for our Arduino. I have used Proteus software. I have also used MQ135 sensor, but in our case we are just measuring temperature and humidity, so we are not using it. This is how our website look. We have a temperature graph area. We also have a humidity graph area. So what the user does is comes here and selects a particular date and then clicks on plot data. So the user will get the temperature readings graph here. Similarly, for the humidity data, the user can select the date and then click on plot data and get the graph of that particular day's temperature and humidity readings. This system can be easily modified and upgraded. We can add any number of sensors to our system as per the user requirement. And also for measuring the weather condition of a place, we don't need to be there. We can monitor our weather condition remotely without being at the present site. This weather monitoring can help cut costs, protect higher crop yields, and prevent over or underwatering in case of farming and other sectors. But the issue with the system is that it requires an active internet connection for its operation. And suppose if any abnormalities in the sensors are there, then it will affect the measure reading, and thus we may get incorrect readings. The readings may be also affected if any object with different temperature and humidity surrounding is kept near the sensor. So these are the advantages and disadvantages of our system. This IoT based weather monitoring system can be used by farmers. Weather monitoring allows farmers to make better decisions about pesticides, watering, and preventing diseases. This system can also be used in industries where monitoring of temperature and humidity condition is required. The system can also be used by individuals for weather monitoring. So finally, we designed a whole IoT system where a user can observe the temperature and humidity conditions of a place from anywhere through our website, which shows graphical data of the weather condition on a particular date which the user wants. So it was a complete learning experience of how an IoT system is designed from the scratch. Thank you Tinker's Lab visit for giving us such opportunity.